Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat messages not sending. So if you open up Snapchat and you have a message that's not sending or says loading or is on pending, it may be due to several reasons. Of course, first of all, you should always check your Wi-Fi and your mobile data if you have both available. I don't mean like at the same time, I mean if they're available to you. The second thing, after you've checked your uh, Wi-Fi internet, that you should do is go to your settings and scroll a bit down. So under account actions, you have clear cache. You can try and clear that because this is all the data and non-functional stuff that Snapchat collects, basically junk. You can clear also some of your search, scan, uh, just your histories pretty much, and see if that doesn't work out. Also, under data saver, if this is checked in, you may want to uncheck it because sometimes it limits how fast your messages can be sent as well. So make sure to do that. Uncheck it if you want to see. And if your messages are still not sending, then you should try the following. Go to your device's settings and find your app settings. In it, find Snapchat. And force stop it. Also, see that you haven't restricted access from networks like mobile data and Wi-Fi data, background and roaming overall. So make sure after you force stop it. The force stop is just a forced restart, that you don't have anything limited from here. All of these need to be turned on. And that's pretty much it. If any of these don't fix it, just try reinstalling the application or reach out to Snapchat for help. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.